All right, in order to be able to snip a picture from something on a map, you first need to come down to this little box down here where you can search on your computer and you want to type in snipping. As soon as you start to type in snipping, you see the snipping tool comes up. Click on open, and now you want to get a snip of one of the landforms that were assigned in the seesaw. So you click this little button which says new, and you see that the whole screen went gray. I want to snip a picture of the Indian Ocean. So I'm going to click right here, and as I click and drag, you see how the part that turned a grayish color is now becoming brighter. So once I click and drag, I see that I have a picture here of the Indian Ocean. I want to save this to my computer. So I click Save As, and then I want to save this to my desktop so I remember where it is. I'm going to name this Indian Ocean so I remember what I called it when I saved it, and then click on Save. And now I'm able to upload this picture of the Indian Ocean into my Seesaw assignment. That's how you use the snipping tool. You save, and then you can upload it into your Seesaw assignment.